Yo guys, what's up? Today we're trying some microwave store-bought pretzels. These were
one
a
of a
gift
kind.
from my friend Juan Davis, who
Real nice guy.
recently passed away due to lung-related issues. Alright,
For our Jaquavis.
what's his name?
I'm
Alright,
really getting Jaquavis with this.
it tastes like how you would imagine. Like pretty good, I guess. And real good.
We don't have any water, so he might die.
I give it like an 8.7 out of 10.